11 divided by 11 divided by 11 divided by 11. Here, 11 divided by 11 gives us 1, and here we have 11 divided by 11, which is also 1. So 1 divided by 1 is just 1. But this answer is incorrect, because according to the order of operations, when we have more than one division in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do the first division, then the next division, and finally the last division. So, the first division of 11 divided by 11 is just 1. So, we get 1 divided by 11, and again divided by 11. Now we have to do this division. 1 divided by 11 can be written as 1 over 11, then divided by 11. Now, according to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So we get 1 over 11 multiplied by 1 over 11, which equals 1 over 121. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 1 over 121.